Hello and a happy new year to all of you. Thank God it's 2024 because I can't say much more of what's just happened. But anyway, what I want to clear up is if you can't hear me like you used to, my mic has broken and I'm in no position right now to change it. So yeah, we're rolling with a broken mic and purple hands. So just bear with me. I know that it's not too bad when you're like watching from your phone, but if you're like watching from a TV, it sounds absolutely awful. So I apologise, and there's really not a lot I can do about it right now. So we're just going to have to roll on with it. What I wanted to share with you for the new year is a new wig, which I've got from Esme off of Amazon. Amazon are my absolute favourite, my go-to for getting wigs, because not only do you get so much choice, it's next day delivery, and we all want next day delivery. So, and it's free. So this was about £22. It's around this, or £21.79, but I will link it down below if you want to have a little look. But when I get those urges to change my hair, it's insane. So wigs are my absolute must, and that's why I've got another one. Right, let's open up this little bad boy. It comes in a box. We've got some clips down here, handy little clips. Wig, as you can see, I've gone for a blonde again, and you can probably tell it's rooted because I always go for the rooted, but just got to go with what you really feel the urge for, and I really felt the urge for a blonde wig, so we're going with it. Inside you've got a leaflet on caring for your wig, a net cap, and I'm so excited to see what it's going to look like, because I've been looking at dark and then purple and pink and Christ knows what else for such a long time. I'm really excited to see what I'd look like with blonde hair again, because it's been a while. Taking it out the net, get that out. It's like a brain, isn't it? It's like a brain inside the wig. And then we have the root, which I'm standing at my window so you can see natural lighting, because I always find that if I'm looking for a wig, I want to see what it looks like naturally. I don't want ring lights and I don't want fake sunlight. I want natural lighting. So there we go. That's what it looks like. It looks a bit squared. It looks like it needs a bit of an ironing out. But root that goes not all the way around the actual head itself, but there's enough there, so that's quite good. And the inside looks like this, breathable, highlights going through, as you can see. That is the roots, nice and soft, doesn't feel itchy. There is a tag hanging here, I can feel it flicking around. And also you've got your adjustables, the adjustables. Yeah, so there we have it. This little beauty. Can't remember how long she is. I think she's like 22 inches. 22 inches. Let's pop her on for the first wig of 2024. Cheers. I've literally got nowhere to film because kids are all off. House is chaotic. So you're having to make do with this. But I thought this was quite good because then you can see the back. You know, rather than me keep doing all this, swinging around, you can see it, you know? I'm not actually planning to be purple, although I'm quite liking it. The plan was to go blue, and to go blue, the best way to get blue is to go purple first. You'll thank me later if you try it. Make your hair purple, strip the colour, instant blue. Epic drama. I don't know about anybody else right now, but it is bloody blowing a hoolie out there. It's blowing a hoolie. I'm going to try with this. So this is wig slip grip thing. Can't remember what it's called. It's been a long time since I've done a wig video. I'm going to put this on as well, just to give it that bit of extra. So it's nice and tight there. What do I look like? What do I look like? Right, people are out there, they can see me. If they're in the windows, they can see me. They'll be thinking, what is our neighbour doing now? We are set and ready to go. Oh my. Yeah, definitely needs ironing down, that. See the bump there? Right, hang on. Bear with me. Twist it. Pull it. Set it. Oh. Just giving myself a good 10 years. Look at that. I mean, it definitely wants a little playing around at the front, and I think it definitely needs ironing flat here, which I'll probably put on the end of my ironing board and just iron it like that with like a tea towel over the top. But I mean, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a proper dinosaur, but need I say more? For $21.79 or whatever the shenanigan was, that looks so nice. I'm going to give it a little bit of dry shampoo, which I got from Lidl. It was so cheap, but we're going to slap that on. Oh yeah, there we go. And I think, because this keeps falling forward and it's really getting on my nerves, I don't want to cut it because that's just going to annoy the hell out of me. I'm going to straighten it backwards and see if I can get it to... That would lay flatter if it wasn't for my wig grip, but I like the wig grip, so I'm keeping that. Oh yeah. Needs the hair straighteners to style it. You know, you just spray the hairspray as you're blow drying it backwards and voila, stays up. Well, I for one really like this, and I haven't noticed like a lot of shedding. Let me just pop that up a little bit. Like, I haven't got shedding all over the place, and it's lovely and soft. It's really, really lightweight. The colour is absolutely gorgeous, and I think that was really, really quick way. Like, that was not like a thing I've ever done before. I just thought in the moment, just do it, and I think that's worked really, really well, because now it's not in my face, you know. I mean, look at the sides. The only problem for me is because I've got some purple going on, it's going to be like you can see my purple here, but I mean, if I was to sew those clips onto the front, I can just put them there and then clip it in. So that wouldn't be a problem, but... And you could do the same again, like you could just flip it over and then spray as you blow dry. Spray the hairspray, which is it's just this. It's just this cheap one, which is probably like $1.50 or something. She is giving. She is giving. I really love this one. I really like that little trick. I'm going to do that more often. Like, so many times I've refused to wear a wig because of that bit's really annoyed me and I've never been able to get it to stay. You're doing that has really worked a treat, and I really like that. But I don't feel like I want to do anything to it. Like, it doesn't need layering or anything like that. I just think it's just nice as it is. Doesn't really need a lot of playing around with. It's just simple, pop it on, you're good to go kind of wig. But I will try... I'm going to try this, so I'm going to whip this off, because I do really, really like this. So, I feeling it. I'm feeling it. Okay. Okay. Ignore the fact that it's got a makeup stain on there. Hence why this goes around my neck now. But yeah. But there we have it. This little beauty does not need a lot of work, and it is just such a lovely, lovely colour. They've blended it really, really well. It's breathable and styleable also. And you've also got that nice beach wave with it as well. It's a good length. It's not too long. And it's just... Esme have brought a very good one here, and I'm really, really pleased. I do like this. So if you get annoying front area and the hair straighteners and all that, I'm just not doing it, especially as it's synthetic. Then just get your hair dryer and spray that hairspray and look at the result. Can't even see that, can you? Can't even see where it starts and where it finishes. But thank you so much for watching. Let's whip this bad boy off and get back to Gabby. And there she is in all her glory. Absolute beauty. Really love this. My first one of 2024 to go in my collection. I am going to be doing a little wig collection setup soon, so they're all going to be on display and they're all going to be looking damn pretty. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Roll on a damn good 2024. Love you all. Bye.